And now for some health and technology. There were some cases of the Chikungunya virus reported in Aruba and alerts on how to combat the mosquito. There are also those apps that you can download that advise on how to protect yourself from the mosquito. But be aware, since these could not be effective.
The numerous cases reported of the Chikungunya virus all over the world, and some cases in Aruba as well, have triggered some people to encourage others to use home remedies to get rid of mosquito bites and eliminate the chance to become infected. From homemade methods to ultrasonic repellent, there are some applications for smartphones that promises to chase away the mosquito by issuing an ultrasound. But would this be effective? Various applications available for download online offer a sound that supposedly the insects don't like. Others are imperceptible to the human ear, but beware, some of these are deceiving and might just do nothing but wasting your time. Several cybernetic sites published a study prepared by Dr. Roger Gould of the AM University from Texas in the United States, which concludes that some of these applications are not useful at all.